Okay, it's just before 11 a.m. and my intention was to just shave and have a shower. I've shaved. Now, when I turn on the tap, I'm expecting hot water because I have turned the left tap to get the hot water. I can run this probably for about 45 seconds when the tankless water heater is working, and I'll get hot water. But interestingly, I had it and it looks like I've lost it again. Now I'm going to go downstairs and see what I'm going to see what's going on with the tankless water heater. I have to do this basically every time I want to get hot water. Oh, here we go. Saying 03E002, and it's flashing, so there's a problem with it. So now, put that back on there. Here's the Navien tankless water heater, and it's plugged in up here. I unplug it. Okay, plug it back in. And starts making noise as if it's going to start working again, which it should. And that's the deal. So now we go back upstairs and hope that we get hot water. Going back upstairs now. Tap's still running. Let's see if it's hot. Still cold. I have to basically do this every time just to get the hot water back on. It's really frustrating. Very inconvenient. Still cold. Might be coming around now. Yeah, it's starting to. So there it is. It's getting hot. So that's the dilemma. It's hot now. They sent a guy back here. He tested everything. It was fine. And the problem is, what's triggering this and why is this happening to a brand new tankless water heater?